Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, price is definitely struggling to go up anymore, and we do have a little bit of a triple top right here near the all-time highs. So we probably are going to make a pretty good push to the downside, but I still think there's a good possibility that it will make a higher low, and end up continuing the uptrend. I still think this is going to end up eventually making it all the way up to at least a $2,200 area. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, you definitely can see some breaks of structure starting to form. I think that proves that this whole trend right here is over, and that this move down is probably going to be a correction to this move up, and most likely it will end that correction and end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the daily. Now on the daily, I do see a few possibilities, especially looking at the dollar index, that this is actually like a wave A back here, and this is like a wave B, like an irregular top or an irregular wave B, and that we're now in like a 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5 of wave C. So if you see it go down to one of these fib levels, if you see an impulsive move up to the upside, if you see a break of structure, then that's definitely going to tell me that the correction is over and that we're back into the uptrend. So we definitely want to try to identify the end of this trend on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I think it's a wave 1. I think this is a wave 2. And I think that everything from that point on is a wave 3. And I don't even think the wave 3 is over. I think it's going to have to make like a 3, 4, 5 just to finish off the wave 3 before it goes up and makes a bigger 4 and 5 to finish off where it may end up being all part of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, just like I was showing on the longer time frames. So as of now, we definitely don't have any break of structure to the upside, so we do not have any reason to think this uptrend or this downtrend is over. And I think that this move up is probably going to be another correction, and it's probably going to keep on going down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, on the longer time frames, this does look more like a wave A than a complete correction, but if it does make an impulsive move down, it would definitely be worth going short to learn whether it does continue to downtrend or whether it makes a correction and goes up and makes an ABC shape, which I actually believe is probably more likely that it's going to do something like this, and then it would make the impulsive move down maybe next week sometime and end up continuing the downtrend. Maybe it will be a wave 4 on the longer time frames, maybe it will just be a subdivision of a much bigger trend. We're going to have to see and watch our structure to figure out what it is that's going to happen next. So don't forget to don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.